Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Guru. This is Asif Khan and today I'm excited to showcase my latest project, a clickboard built with Django and Python. This clickboard automates mouse click based on the user-defined setting whether you won't need to perform a repetitive task or test application. This tool can save you a tons of time. The clickboards allow you to specify delay between clicks and total number of clicks you want to execute. You can easily start, pause and stop clicking process using your keyboard. Let's dive into a quick demonstration. Here is how you simply enter the delay and click count. Here is start and watch it go. So you can see I have open here a crusher click again, and wherever I will keep my mouse it will click the same places. So you can see it's crushing. You can say it's a crushing, and you can press P for pause or resume and stop, press S to stop the click. This tool is perfect for automating tasks like data entry, automated testing, or even a repetitive gaming action. Just remember to use it responsibly. I hope this project fun and useful as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your thoughts in comment. I'd love to hear you and might use clickboard in your project. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.